Make someone think of you morning, noon, and night using this fast and easy meditation. This meditation will make your specific person think about you whenever you listen to it. Find a comfortable spot to sit or lie down and gently close your eyes. Put your hands over your heart, and as you breathe, feel your heart beat. Feel your heart energy. This is your love vibration. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Another deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now begin to visualize your specific person. See their face, their hair, their nose, their arms, their legs, their cheeks, their eyes, their lips. See everything that makes them unique. Now begin to think of a time when you felt deeply in love with them. You can feel their love energy radiating from your body. They are now staring at you. They come close to you and they put their hands over your heart too, and they can feel your heartbeat. They can feel your love energy. Your love energy is being absorbed by them. Now in your mind, say to the universe, I am grateful they are thinking about me. I am grateful they are concerned about me. It is done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. To affirm it, comment below, I am grateful they are thinking about me right now. Bye, my loves. See you in the next meditation.